So here we are at our 7th annual Sales Fundamentals Workshop. We got people coming in, registering right now, getting an understanding of what the next couple days are gonna be like. We're showing them the games and the competition because in sales, there's always a scoreboard. And what you're gonna see throughout, whether it's game like cornhole, what we're trying to do is really tie in some of these sales fundamentals and these concepts. So not only will they see, say, Tommy Boy's face on the passing net, but we're gonna take a little element of the movie Tommy Boy to bring in to show how it's either a violation of a sales principle or something that we should do more of. Whole idea is how do we make it fun? How do we make it engaging? How do we get people learning from each other and ultimately having a good time? Because sales is stressful, it's tough, especially this time of year. But this is where we're gonna sharpen the saw and get better.